Dowell Technology Company Limited was founded in March 2009 and is a Sino-US joint venture. It is headquartered in Beijing Zhongguancun High-Tech Park and has a manufacturing base in Changzhou in Jiangsu Province. In 2012, Dowell and Tsinghua University received the National A63 project, the research and application development of large-capacity, megawatt-grade of vanadium liquid-flow energy storage systems. In 2013, the research results were praised and accepted by the state ministries and commissions. Since then, based on this technological achievement, the total capacity exceeds 1 gigawatt-hour. Services: frequency regulation, new energy absorption, peak shaving and valley filling, uninterrupted power supply, energy router, and cascade utilization. Shanxi Changji Thermal Power Coordinated Auxiliary Frequency Regulation Project is a power generation side energy storage project. Dowell was the EPC total package for this project in the thermal power plant. The system integration technology of Dowell cooperated with power plant units to do AGC combined auxiliary frequency regulation and improve the KP index. It also increased the income of the power plant, reduced wear and tear, and improved the stability of the power grid. FR application is one of the most difficult energy storage scenarios in terms of technology content and implementation. As one of the few domestic companies with FR overall scheme design and implementation, this fully reflects Dowell's strength and experience in the field of energy storage. Dowell has undertaken several energy storage projects in Beijing, which are oriented to commercial office buildings, mainly focusing on peak shaving and valley filling applications. Among them, the Beijing Sinochem building, located around Chang'an Street. This is invested by the subsidiary company of the Central Enterprise, Sinochem Group, and is provided with system integration and construction by Dowell. The active balancing strategy and safety protection system were adopted in this project to ensure the safe and reliable operation of the system.
利维亚公司本身是一个设计装潢公司，它坐落在石景山。因为它设计的特殊原因呢，就是每年耗电量很大。储能电站呢，从2017年到现在的话呢，运行了2年的时间。那么在这2年的时间呢，设备运行非常稳定，不管它的 PCS、BMS， 还有其他的监控设备都非常好。在它人员服务的过程当中呢，做得也非常到位。特别是在这个电站的话，因为是铅碳锂电，属于2种设备共同做的储电站，所以的话呢，在设备要求上来说非常高。在有些设备的话呢，随时调整，他们的工作人员非常专业。在设备上面来说的话呢，特别是他们几位工程师经常巡访，所以的话，这个利维亚呢，对这个储电站呢也非常满意，不管是在安全上边，在经济效益上边，特别是在节能上边，给我们做出了很大的贡献，为企业呢节约了很多的费用。
Beijing Lanjing Li Home Storage Energy Project is the first large-scale commercial complex energy storage power station in China, which integrates optical storage and charging. In Beijing, Dowell has also implemented and completed many other commercial complex user-side peak shaving and valley filling projects, such as the International Trade Energy Storage Project, Strong International Energy Storage Project, Huaguan Energy Storage Project, and the Low Carbon Clean Research Institute Energy Storage Project. At the same time, Dowell has obtained many other major energy storage projects at the national level in Jiangsu Province. The results of these project implementations have been unanimously recognized and affirmed by both customers and industry colleagues alike and have a very high industry influence. These systems cover the applications of improving power quality, providing uninterrupted power supply and power grid source network load application. In the application of improving power quality, there is the Zhenjiang Tiangong Energy Storage Project. This is the first batch of energy internet demonstration projects for the State Energy Administration. Based on peak shaving and value filling, it solves the problem of voltage flashover in the plant area and improves the quality of customers' electricity consumption. Utilizing the peak-valley price difference to make profit, the direct economic loss caused by the voltage flashover in the power grid is reduced. In order to solve the problem of uninterrupted power supply, there is the Zhenjiang Aike Energy Storage Project. This project not only realizes peak shaving and value filling, but also provides long-term and uninterrupted stable power supply for customer-sensitive loads. Zhenjiang Huake Energy Storage Project and Zhenjiang Hengshun Vinegar Energy Storage Project are both projects that integrate many applications such as peak shaving and valley filling. Energy router, power grid source and network load response. In the application of power supply and network load, there is the energy storage project in Zhenjiang Smelter. This is a key project of Jiangsu Power Grid for the summer. It solves the operational pressure on the Jiangsu Power Grid during the peak period of summer power consumption, which is expected to reach 112 million kilowatts station. The Jiangsu Dowell faced many difficulties such as the large scale, a tight timeable, and multiple tasks, but completed the project in just 45 days. This was done through strong multi-party cooperation and overcoming the typical difficulties posed by large-scale distributed energy storage construction. After the grid-connected operation of Zhenjiang Zhongye Energy Station, the annual energy storage capacity is now about 52.8 million kilowatt-hours. Without changing the owner's total electricity consumption, it has a variety of functions such as peak load regulation, demand-side response, standby power supply, and power quality improvement. It will also relieve power supply pressure during summer peak period and ensure high quality, efficient, and safe power supply from the power grid. Wuxi Xingzhou Energy Storage Project is located in Wuxi Xingzhou Industrial Park in Jiangsu Province. It has a total power of 20 megawatts, a total capacity of 160 megawatt-hour, and a total area of 12,800 square meters. It is the largest energy storage station in China. This is a park-level incremental distribution network plus peak shaving and valley filling project. It has become the first large-scale energy storage power station to access the customer-side energy storage platform of Jiangsu Electric Power Company. This power station is the first project to be accepted for grid connection by obeying the regulations of customer-side energy storage system grid connection management from the Jiangsu Electric Power Company. The peak valley disparity of Jiangsu Power Grid shows a growing trend, and new regulation methods are urgently needed to alleviate the peak valley demand for electricity. Electrochemical energy storage has the advantages of fast response, accurate load control, a short construction period with no consumption of fossil fuels, and no polluting emissions. In Wuxi Hongdou Energy Storage Power Station, Wuxi Yishun Energy Storage Project, Wuxi Dongsheng Energy Storage Project, Zhenjiang Dongpu Energy Storage Project, Energy Storage Project of Zhenjiang Changfeng Paper Industry, Guangzhou Wanli Tire Energy Storage Project, and other regions. Dowell also has many other projects in other cities in China. With their comprehensive strength in the field of energy storage, Dowell successfully won the bid for Henan Power Grid 100 megawatt energy storage demonstration project. This is the first domestic grid-side distributed battery energy storage demonstration project to be put into operation. The Henan Power Grid is located at the interconnection hub of Central China Power Grid and Northwest China Power Grid. The peak valley difference of the power grid accounts for about 40% of the maximum load. With the rapid development of new energy, it brings great challenges to peak shaving. The implementation of the 100 megawatt project in the Henan Power Grid has effectively played the role of regulating and storing energy, even guaranteeing the safety of power consumption. Of Dowell products are excellent. For the future, Dowell is happy to work hand in hand with its customers and partners in the energy storage industry in any part of the world to develop the sustained, efficient use of renewable resources and environmental improvement.